Yo, hello and Kasakai, this is Dishant Dimle and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something which is very important but which is overlooked by people from centuries and centuries. It is so important that if we start talking about it, you might end up killing yourself. Like, literally killing yourself. You're asking why? But Deshank, aren't you speaking something irrelevant? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Let me talk. According to the World Health Organization, 7,93,000 men end up dying. You ask why? The reason is suicide. And why they kill themselves is because of mental pressure. Recently, Sushant Singh Rajput gave up his life, and reason might be anything. It might be a conspiracy or something, but if it is a mental thing and no one is talking about it, a mental issue is very important. Men don't speak up easily. If they do, they are scared. Then people will judge them. Like, people will start judging them. Arey, why are you crying? You are just like 24 and like you ain't earning. You'll get a job. Don't worry. Like, keep up, man up. Arey, it was a joke, yaar. You should understand, this is very dank. Arey, why are you crying? You should like not cry because you're a man, dude. Come on, man up. Be strong. Face it like a man. I like, you are yet talking to that girl. I told you to block her. Please block her. Otherwise, I'm not gonna talk to you. That is so pathetic. You know, you shouldn't talk to her. Scoring very less. See that guy. See that Sharma ji ka beta. He's like scoring very good marks and you are just here like doing nothing. Shut up. It is time for people to understand what is going on with you and what is not, and you should speak up and you should try to make them understand that it is not right. Whatever they are trying to do, trying to act cool or like making fun out of you, and if they are not listening, take a professional step. Go check a psychologist. Not shameful to go and take a help from a psychologist. Psychologists are someone who will like help you out of everything and make you reset your mind and find yourself. What is wrong with you will be very much clear, and then you start working on your problems and you'll eventually find a solution. There is a proverb which goes by, prevention is better than cure. What I mean is, like, if you have someone around you, you should take the like these steps, and I'll like write it over here and make clear like you can treat them as I go from them. Stop objectifying first. Second thing, stop fake criticism. Like, people are there on like social media platforms which will like criticize anyone. You don't know what they are going through. You don't know what they are. If it is a group of 4 or it is a group of 3, if you're criticizing them, you're like just passing a comment and you're just laughing about them. That is not right. And if it is in front of them, then you have something inside you, because you're like being a dual face guy. That is not right? So make an effort to understand what is going on with them and try not to make it a funny thing, because not everything is funny. Listen to them and comfort them when they are into a panic attack or like anything which makes them uncomfortable or makes them like go crazy or wild. Then just like be there for them. Try to listen and comfort them in every situation. Don't try to give your opinions unless and until you're sure they're gonna be calm. Stop judging them. It is very important कि you shouldn't judge anyone. People like this age, my god, everyone, like if you are passing from a road or you're sitting somewhere, everyone is gonna judge you. But just like if we start putting efforts and not judge them, we are gonna land up in a better place, because judging creates problem. Like, you start judging, you start comparing, you end up in a situation which will be creating problems for you. might be anything. Compliment them. Like if you compliment them, they'll be like happy. They'll be finding out, like finding an ease to feel relaxed, and might be helpful. Like if the mood is bad and you just say, hey, your t-shirt is cool, or your smile is cool, or like your hairstyle is cool, or anything, any simple compliment will just make them. That's it, guys. Like it just takes like few words to make someone smile, and you might not know, you might make a difference throughout a day. Give them moral support. Like be there for them, stand for them, be a moral like someone. If they need help, be a friend. If they need help from a family member, be there. Just like keep everything ready for them. Like you don't give them reasons and like avoid them, then that thing might like lead to something which is disastrous, and they might take a serious step. If it gets very serious, like if you are not able to control, or like you are not able to find a solution, then you should take a psychologist. Like take a help from your psychologist, or like anyone who is like into psychology, in like practicing psychology, I'm saying. If you know someone, or like you can just pay some fees and just go. If you're not affordable, it is not affordable, then there are like colleges, and there are like places which give you free psychology services. Try like making an effort and like talking to this psychologist. I'll like research and like link it down below. If you are like feeling someone is like mellow or like not going through a proper situation in life, especially like dealing with life, and men are like not ready to speak, your brother or your father or anyone, grandfather, friend, best friend, boyfriend, anyone, just like if they are suffering from some things very realistic, like be it bipolar disorder, or like anxiety, depression, anything, just support them with a professional help if it is not controllable. Okay, all they need is like a special person, or a person who can just be there for them. It is not necessary whoever you are, just like if you're like there for them, then they are just very happy. They'll be like telling you everything and listening, and once they like feel light, they won't take a serious step towards something which is disastrous. Respect them. At the end of the day, what starts and ends is respect. If you are like respecting them, you won't bully them, and if you won't bully them, then things might end up good. And there are some people who are like very emotionally weak. I can't say I shouldn't say weak, but like they can't handle things properly because they have not been grown up in a perfect situation, or somewhere like with like good parents. Like the parents don't talk, and then they find out very hard to like get up and solve everything. There are even many ways to help them, but these are few like which I have told you. But if you are like very serious about helping them, then you can also Google it. I will link some referral links down below, which are like examples. There are like 130 or 150 examples of how you can like just help them without like making it very serious issue, and be there for them. But yes, man up is not a word you should like tell them. You should be there for them. Be a good person. It is like being a good soul for a good soul. It will just be a nice thing in maybe afterlife. So just respect them and treat them very well. You might not know that you will be in their memories forever, and like they'll be giving you some good karma, and then that karma might be like in your entire life. And hey, you might not know what might happen, but it might be very good. If you're a person who is suffering from any mental health issue like depression, be it depression, anxiety, or anything, then don't feel shy to like don't feel shy like me. Like to say things, but like speak up. You might even like end up in my DMs and tell ki Dishang bhai, Dishang dada, or Dishang, or like anything you want to say D or anything. Just like end up in my DMs and say ki help me, I'm just suffering. I'll be there. Don't worry. जितना भी बड़ा होगा मैं रहेगा. If you're like suffering, I can't promise, but like I'll try to give my best. If you're like just asking for help and you're going through problems, and like really, I'll be there to listen anyhow. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did like the video, do drop a like, share. If you wanna subscribe, you can subscribe. Otherwise, mat karo. Aap pe hai. Yes, we are on the road for 1,000 subscribers, and soon we are hitting 500 subscribers. But I need your help to reach that goal, because like the time is very tough for me also, and yeah. Anyways, so that's it for today, guys. And yes, I'm gonna soon announce a giveaway. If you made it so far, just stick for a few seconds, because if you help me reach 1,000 subscribers very fast, then I will make sure that I'll keep a giveaway from my pocket, be it anything. It will be totally dependent on my budget, but yes, if you're ready and if you're like really into my content, then I'm also ready to like do thoda kharcha and give you guys something in return. Not everyone, but someone who is like who will be chosen through a method. I don't know. We'll decide. Me and my some boys like who are helping me will decide and keep the giveaway. So that's it. So till then, peace.